want to see what I did today? Ah! It hurts so much, like a lot more than I was expecting. When people told me ribcage tattoos hurt, I didn't realize just how much it would hurt. So when I tell you to brace yourself if you get a ribcage tattoo, I freaking mean it. It just kept getting progressively worse and worse until at some point my skin just went numb, and I still felt it, but it wasn't as bad, but it still hurt. Got my passport photos taken too, which is just putting the whole France trip into perspective, and I just feel so excited. This week has been pretty rough for me mentally, and so I thought I would just do a very chill night routine video and take you guys through some of my rituals, some things I'm going to be doing tonight. And yeah, it's gonna be a good night. I know it sounds like I'm trying to convince myself, but it actually is. Gonna be making some pizza tonight to surprise Roger, and then we're gonna open up a package that I'm really excited about. And I'm also gonna show you guys some skincare and hair care, because a lot of you guys have been asking me about what I use to take care of my skin and my hair, especially since I've gone on my whole curly hair journey. I feel like I finally got like that nice sweet spot where I feel really happy with the products I'm using, including Naturally Serious, which is sponsoring this video. And if you haven't heard about them, they're pretty much a vegan and cruelty-free brand that also just caters to the environment a lot more, and it's just all the great things that I want to focus on as a consumer and also as a content creator. If you're interested in Naturally Serious, click the link in my description box. Do you guys see how nasty my hair is? I'm definitely due for a shower after the bike ride, and I'm gonna remove my makeup, do my skincare. So yeah, let's have a nice cozy night. Do you guys want to see how beautiful it is outside my window tonight? It was really sunny today, and then all of a sudden it got like cloudy because I think there's going to be a storm tonight, which is just like my favorite thing in the world. Before I go, just grabbing the essentials. Oh my gosh. Is this it? I have been using Diva Curl. It's important to note that not all of their products are curly girl friendly, but I do have to say that I am completely obsessed with their No Poo shampoo and their One Condition hair conditioner. It has made my hair completely frizz-free. My curls have started to really rejuvenate themselves, and I had so much damaged hair in the past, but now I just feel like they're super bouncy. My hair is very voluminous, and I owe it all to this product. For my skin, I got this bar at a farmer's market, and this woman was at a stand. She sold a bunch of soaps and stuff, and she actually recommended this for acne, and I've been just rubbing it on my back with this little dry brush. Really, this one actually exfoliates my skin a lot more, and I had really bad back acne. That and the combination of the right vitamins has completely wiped out all of my back acne, and I've been feeling just a lot more confident about my back. I purchased my microfiber towels at Daiso, but you can also use like an old t-shirt or a t-shirt you're not using and dry your hair that way instead. It's a lot better for it. Oh wow. It's raining pretty hard now. I like to use the Naturally Serious Get Even Cold Pressed Peel Pads. These are actually supposed to naturally exfoliate. It helps soothe and hydrate the skin with oatmeal and sodium PCA. Every time I use this, my skin always ends up looking very even toned and vibrant. But from time to time, when I feel like my skin is a little bit worn down, I like to use a Fruit Tox Resurfacing Facial Remedy. So it's meant to detox, exfoliate, and brighten, which honestly, it actually does. Like, I love the way it makes my skin feel. It has this red pigment to it, which is very interesting. It's kind of like a mask because you leave it on for like 1 to 2 minutes, but it's not the whole full 15 minutes that you need to do with regular masks. Look how shiny my face is. But it smells so good. Do you guys hear the rain? Oh, queen. And then to finish it all off, I'm using the After Dark Natural Peptide Sleeping Cream. And you guys, this has the most amazing scent of celery. It's just so soothing to me. And I also just love how plump my skin feels after I use it. Like, it feels very moisturized and fresh. I literally smell like a stick of celery. And just so you guys know, all of Naturally Serious's products are anti-pollution, green-friendly, cruelty-free, vegan. All of their packaging is made with wind power in a carbon-neutral facility. Again, if you want to shop them, click the link in my description. Now that my face is feeling nice, I'm going to be using a little sample of my friend's Nectar Essentials lip scrub on my lips because they are feeling a little bit dry right now. I usually do this in the bathroom, but I could always just lick it off, so it's not a big deal.
When given alcohol, the spider built a web, found a mate, and raised over 100 young. But the mate got a restraining order, and now the spider can't go within 100 centimeters of the web. The crack cocaine spider figured building webs was for suckers, waited till the caffeine spider was exhausted, then came up behind it and popped a cap in its ass. Nice web, Mr. Crack Spider.
What is up? Guess what we're doing now? Just spoke to Roger and he told me he won't be here for another like 2 hours. So I figured instead of making pizza and letting it get cold, I would unbox my YouTube plaque. Oh my gosh. Got my scissors. My camera battery's about to die. I have to replace it for a new one right now. Can I make it before it dies? I'm gonna cry. Why am I so emotional? Presented to Diana Chamomile for passing 100,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful. Look how beautiful it is. I'm gonna put it right there. Right there. That's you guys. And that little camera. I'm so emotional right now. I started my channel in January of 2015. My camera battery's dead. But it's okay. At the time when I started it, I was so hopeful for so much. I didn't really have the confidence that I have now, and while I still feel like I'm lacking in many ways, I know that there's a lot that I've earned and I've gained, and I'm so grateful for every single person that has ever clicked on my video and left something sweet to say, or even giving my video a thumbs up, because I know it's not always easy to leave a comment in a video, but I'm just grateful for all of your support, and I love you guys so much. I don't really know where to put it yet. I think I'm gonna put it where this book is for now. I just changed shirts because honestly I feel a lot more comfortable and breezy when I'm wearing just a regular t-shirt. So I popped this one on that I got from Buffalo Exchange. It just says fruits on it. And I spent the rest of the evening just talking to my friend on FaceTime because she had a job interview today. And so I just like wanted to catch up with her. And then after that, Roger called me, which means he'll be here in about 30 to 40 minutes. Hopefully no longer than that, because I'm gonna pop in some pizza. I do have to be honest, I don't know how to cook. So this is from Trader Joe's, but organic Trader Joe's pizza just hits the spot. It's like super good. I did have to get myself some fresh green pepper, and now I'm gonna clean it up, slice it up, and just like drizzle it on top of the pizza with some vegan sausage and oregano, just to give it like a nice little kick. I don't like to be a Debbie Downer on my channel, but to be honest, I feel like everybody just has those days where they just beat down on themselves, and sometimes all you need is a reminder that you have to be as kind to yourself as you are to people, the people that you love. I just hope that that message can transcend this video and bring you guys some good vibes, because we definitely need that in this day and age, man. But other than the pizza, I actually have, oop, I got a text. Other than the pizza, gosh, so many people messaged me right now, what the heck. I wanted to surprise Roger with this lemon sparkling cleansing foam that he loves. It's by Secret Key, and also this My Neighbor Totoro lunchbox thing. It's not really a lunchbox, but you get what I mean. Container? Lunch container? Yes, that's the word. Can't wait to see his face when he sees these though. Hey cutie, how's it going? I have a surprise for you.
What?
I have a surprise for you waiting upstairs.
What is it?
Can you help me with these dishes?
Is it food? This is a price?
Yes, food is always the best
And
surprise.
dishes?
Just close your eyes, okay? I'll help you up the stairs. Just give me 1 moment. Give me your hand.
It's gonna be like it's just gonna be pizza. Watch my hand, watch my hand.
Pizza!
I already know what the surprise is.
Look.
Oh, thanks. It's the Totoro lunch, the bento box, right?
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, I just wonder how you do this.
Okay, I might have told him I got this like a month ago, so not much of a surprise, but he didn't know it was coming today. And your favorite face wash. He's reading the YouTube letter. Read it out loud.
1% of the 99%.
Shut up. Just get to it. Oh my god.
All right, there's no dear anything. It's just you just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can't get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight on the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too.
And a boyfriend.
And a boyfriend. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, which is in the back. A small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think.
That's it. That was my night. Thanks so much for joining me. And Roger, did you enjoy the pizza?
I want seconds.
Yeah, that was a lot of pizza though. I don't know how you're gonna want
so
seconds.
hungry.
Oh my gosh, really? You're crazy. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. See you in the next video. Bye.